Flying car is the combination of both car and a plane into the new reality. It's a revolutionary solution which will change the personal transportation on a global scale. Just to get from A to B, from door to door, it takes a lot of time. This will solve a lot of current problems. The company was founded in 2010, 7 years ago, when the flying car sounds still a lot of science fiction. We already built 2 previous prototypes which was actually flown and drives on the streets and in the air.
My name's Doug McAndrew. I'm the Technical Director or the Chief Technical Officer for AeroMobil R&D in Slovakia. And we're presenting today at the Goodwood Festival of Speed our AM 4.0 vehicle for the public to see and understand how it will operate. Well, we've been trying to develop a fully productionized legal variant of the current flying regulations into a product that can both drive and fly effectively without compromising either.
We are certifying the vehicle under the EASA certification, and the next one will be, of course, FAA and then the Asian certification. The next step of our plan is to offer flying cars as a regular transportation mode as a service. So let's call it mobility as a service or transportation as a service. So you don't need to own it. You will have just an access to the vehicle, and you can rent it as a flying Uber, flying service, and you can use it in both modes, as a car and as a plane.